Hi mga Ka-Lazada! I'm Marj Maroket. I'm a beauty content creator and makeup enthusiast. Today I'll be doing a summer makeup look that you can do in 10 minutes or less. All the items are available on Lazada. The links will be in the description box below. And be sure to watch till the end because we'll be giving away a 10,000 peso Lazada voucher. Okay, let's begin. I always clip my hair first before I do my makeup so my hair doesn't get in the way. For skincare, I already washed my face off camera. I also did my serums and moisturizers. Now I'm gonna use sunscreen. This is the Happy Skin Rescue Me Invisible Sun Gel Primer. And I really like it because it's not only a sunscreen, it's also a primer. So it's already two steps in one. Not only does this protect my skin from the sun, but it also makes my skin really smooth for makeup application. While that dries, I'm gonna be prepping my lips with the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. This is in chocolate. I've tried the other flavors. They're also good. This is what I'm using now though. I always like to prep my lips at the start of my makeup routine, so by the time I'm in the lipstick step, my lips are super moisturized. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Detail Cosmetics Fresh Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade Caramel. And recently, I've been loving applying my base products with my fingers first. Like, I just rub it like how I would apply moisturizer. This to me is the best Filipino branded foundation right now. It just looks so natural on the skin. It evens out my skin tone. Plus, it makes my skin look really radiant. If you follow me, you know I love this foundation. So again, I'm just rubbing it with my fingers. And then I take a damp beauty sponge and use it to blend the foundation even more, making sure there are no lines. Next, I'm gonna use my Nars Radiant Cream Concealer. I'm in the shade Ginger, and I use this to brighten my under eyes, conceal the redness around my nose, and to highlight my forehead and chin area. While I let that sit for a bit, I will be contouring using the Vice Cosmetics Multiganda One and Done Stick in the shade Achieve. I have been super loving this right now. I don't apply it directly on my face. I use a brush first, and then I just contour my cheekbones. Now I'm gonna take a piece of cotton bud and then clean out my brows. I don't want it to look crusty. Speaking of brow gel, I'll be using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is just a clear brow gel. And I love this because this will make your brow hair stay up the entire day. While that dries, I'm gonna apply the Strokes Crush Blush in the shade Gorge. This is actually one of their new shades, and it's just a nude pinky brown. When I think of a summer makeup look, I think glowy, bronzy, and sun-kissed skin. So I really like to concentrate my blush on the entire cheek and nose area. This is a cream formula, by the way, and it just easily blends out into the skin. I put the blush on top of the area where I applied my contour. So if I contoured here, I put the blush here. And again, I put a little on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Viceco Multiganda One and Done Stick in the shade Push. Earlier, I used the shade Achieve. This one, I'll be using to contour my nose. I just take my brush, saturate it with product, make sure to blend it out. You don't want a harsh nose line, right? So yeah, blend like your life depends on it. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I've been using this for years. I will use it to set my under eye concealer, the area between my brows, my chin. I'm also gonna use it to sculpt this area even more. And then I'm gonna take a setting brush without any product and just brush away the excess powder. I also like to apply a little powder on this area, like this cheek area right here, because I tend to get oily here. Use setting powder on areas where you applied concealer. If you have oily skin, you can also set your entire face. Like what I said earlier, when I think of summer makeup, I also think of bronzy skin. So I'm gonna add more bronzer. This is the Nars Laguna bronzing powder. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and tap off the excess and bronze my forehead, add a little on the cheeks. Basically like everywhere where you want to look bronzy. So I just lightly apply it all over. Going back to the brows, I'll be filling them in with my Detail Make Brow Super Fine Liner. It's just a skinny eyebrow pencil. And first, I will be lining them a bit. I'll line the bottom of my brows. So to fill them in, I just like doing these light strokes, making sure it looks like hair. I'm now done with this brow. Look at the difference. I don't really do much for eyes. I just take my powder bronzer and an eyeshadow brush and just put it all over my lid. I take like this pencil or detailing brush and put it on my lower lash line as well. Next, I take an eyelash curler and curl my lashes. I always curl my lashes before I apply mascara just because I have the straightest, shortest, most stubborn lashes in the world and they really need to be curled. For mascara, this is a recent fave. It's the Romand Hand All Fix Mascara in L01. So this is the lengthening one. I love this so much because it keeps the curl of my lashes and it really lengthens them. Like this is only one coat. Do you see the difference? Look at that. To finish off the eyes, I always apply highlighter on the inner corners. This is from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals. Just take a small brush and apply it on my inner corner. I do this so my eyes look even more awake. I also like to use this highlighter on the bridge of my nose and on the tip. To add more glow to the cheeks, I'll be using my Squad Serum Blush in the shade Parfait. Put it on the back of my hand. Take a highlighting brush, lightly press it on the top of my cheeks or my cheekbones. For the lips, I'll be using the Detail Cosmetics Clay Pen in the shade Clay. You guys know I super love this as well. And I'm gonna use it to line my lips. And then I'm gonna take my Estee Lauder Pure Color Whipped Matte Lip Color in the shade Shock Me and put it just on the center of my lips. I'll just be taking like a lip brush or a blending brush and blend it. We are going for that diffused lip look. I sometimes even add some more when I want to intensify the color. Still on the center of the lips though. So this is how you want it to look like. Lastly, we want our makeup to last the entire day. That's why I'll be using my Benefit Professional Super Setter and just spray it all over my face. And that's it, a summer makeup look that can be done in 10 minutes, maybe even less. It's super simple and easy, and I love how it turned out. I love how flushed my cheeks look, how bronzy my skin is, and of course, glowy too. By the way, all the products I used, nasa Lazada yan. So if you're interested, the product links are down below. So add to cart and check out now to enjoy free shipping vouchers, no minimum spend, cashback, and discounts. I know you've been waiting for our giveaway, so I won't make you wait any longer. You can win the 10,000 peso Lazada voucher by following these simple steps. First is to like this video. Second is to subscribe to Lazada PH's YouTube channel. Third is to comment what other makeup looks you would like to see next. That's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed and learned a thing or two from this video. Again, this is Marj. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Ka-Lazada.